Hello friends, welcome. So today we'll discuss about the list command ls. Okay, so this is our server. I have already logged in. So ls command is to list the files and directories. We put ls. So we are having only two files. Okay, these are the file name. But if I want more information about this thing, so what I can do ls hyphen l long list. So I will get the permissions, owner, group, last exit date, creation date, and these things. Every detail I will get in long listing. Okay. This include like permission, link, ownership, size, date, name. This thing we can get this happen. We are having also like if I do ls slash etc, I'll get the content of inside etc. ls hyphen l slash etc. I'll be able to list long list the content of slash etc like this. But if I want ownership and some detail of slash etc, then I have to do ls hyphen l d slash etc. So I will get the detail of slash etc directory. Okay, see you are able to see it's a directory, permission, ownership, this detail, and we can do ls hyphen lrt. Okay, so long list and shorter manner. See 2019 and 2021. We can do like slash etc also. It will get sorted chronically from older to new. Okay, so just older to new in a chronicle manner. If you see, we'll get the, let me make it easy to understand. So these are the detail 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, like this we are getting, and these are the 22. Accordingly, you are able to see all the files. Okay, and if you want to see the hidden file, ls hyphen a normal or ls hyphen la long list. So you can see all the directories and files which are getting the starting with dot. You're able to see those files. So hidden file like base history and these things. Okay, and you'll see only these two dot and double dot. This contains the address of current working directory. Okay, so here I am, and this is the parent directory of this directory. Okay, so these are the main commands. First is ls long list ls hyphen l, long list to a directory ls hyphen ld. If you want to see the hidden file ls hyphen la. Okay, this will get a hidden file. Or if you want to do the sorting ls hyphen lrt, it will get sorted. And if you don't want to perform anything, you can do ls. If you want to perform ls under some directory, you can do ls slash etc. Same thing you can do with other commands. And for more, you can do ls hyphen hyphen l. So main page will open. Okay, see you are able to see. You can use hyphen t. Multiple options are there: reverse, recursive, size. We are doing lrt, so it isn't reverse mode we are doing. So inode also you can do like ls hyphen I. So you'll come to know the inode of this file. We'll come to this part, inode wala part later, but for basic thing you can use like this. Okay, so this is the complete about ls command, list of the file directory and these things. Okay, I'll show you one more thing, ls hyphen l slash etc. Okay, how will identify which is the file, which is directory? So if this character start with D first, then it is a directory. If it is having hyphen here, means no value, then it is a file. So these are the file. This is directory. These three also directory. So in that manner you will come to know which is a file and which is a directory. Okay. So in this manner you can use ls command according to your need. I will see you in next video where I will try to explain some more things. Till then, okay, bye. Keep practicing.